Hi, I'm Corin, and this is my cat, Tygon. Hi, baby. I just did a live video over on my Facebook page. I want to make sure that I share some of these self-care, making your bed tips on my YouTube page. Thank you so much for opening your mind to want to have a relaxing existence where you feel healthy and you're practicing healthy habits. And so I'm going to recap my live video from my Home with Corin playlist on my page at Corin Virtual Coach on Facebook. I'm definitely going to recap what I said. The mattress pad, I washed it last time and this time I didn't. The sheets are nice and thick. They're about a 7 thread count. I love the color. I keep 2 sheets on hand, 2 different sets of sheets. Each set of sheets comes with 2 pillowcases per pillow, so 4 pillowcases. So high thread count and 4 matching pillowcases. 2 sets, 1 blue and 1 ivory. I've really been into the blue one because the thickness of it. I washed the sheets. I washed the ombre blanket. She's being covered. Well, I have to show you though. Okay, the ombre blanket. Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to take your blankie. And the comforter I didn't wash this time, but I washed it last time. That's going to be a down alternative. Now, my pillows are very thick pillows. And this is for posture. A nice thick pillow. If you could find one, the thickest you could find. There's one thicker than this, but it was too firm. This holds your neck up properly. Flat pillows make your neck go like this when you're sleeping. So if you have a nice thick pillow like this, your neck will be straight with your spine. It'll hold your neck up. You won't have to bunch up the pillows underneath your neck. Okay. All right. And so the pillows, like the mattress pad, they get washed every couple weeks to a month. I don't have the really big industrial washer dryer, so I'll take mine to the laundromat. That's kind of inconvenient. I will actually just go ahead and do them. I'll rotate them. So one was clean, and then the other one is in the bag, and I got another one, and then by the time that one's, and when I say clean, I'm thinking, really? They're not even clean after the first day, because bodily fluids go right through fabrics, thus your mattress. Let's just get to the mattress. Okay, because we know now that you must wash your mattress pad and your pillows. A couple times a month or once a month would be ideal. And if you're not doing it, get to it as soon as you can, right? If you like the advice that I'm giving. Now the mattress will accumulate all kinds of skin, gross, right? Like just body stuff. And it just absorbs into the mattress, even through the sheets and the mattress pad. Therefore, if you don't want to lug around like literally a dead body because it's all your bodily fluids that like the mattress absorbed. I know that sounds gross, but it's actually kind of like that because a mattress will be 20 to 30 pounds heavier by the time you throw it out. And that's when, after a couple of years, or do you have a mattress your whole life? I like to change mine every couple of years. And so the next time when I move, actually, I will be getting a new mattress. I mentioned some of the brand names in my other video. This video, I'm not going to talk brands. I'm just going to give little pointers and tips to make your life a lot more comfortable. And I think I covered all of the bed talk. And now I shall go to bed. I had a nice hot bath, and I have a playlist about bathing also on my Facebook page. And I mention all the essential oils that I use in my bathtub. And thanks for joining here on YouTube. Also, thank you for being my friend. Thanks for being a joyful spirit in my life. Love you.